Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we confidently call the best Nintendo mic out there, the gaming headset for PC, PS5, Switch, mobile, and more, designed especially for Nintendo gaming enthusiasts who crave immersive sound and clear voice communication. Right off the bat, this headset grabs attention with its multi-platform compatibility. Whether you're gaming on your Nintendo Switch, enjoying titles on your PS5, PC, or even on mobile, this headset ensures you won't need to swap between different devices. Just plug it in, and you're ready to dominate. Now let's talk design. The build is lightweight yet sturdy, a huge win for gamers who settle in for long sessions. The over-ear design comes with soft, breathable ear cushions that sit comfortably even during marathon gameplay. Whether you're docking your Switch or taking it on the go, this headset travels well and feels great. It's got excellent voice pickup and background noise rejection. So, when you're coordinating strategy in Fortnite, racing in Mario Kart, or just chatting on Discord, your voice cuts through crisp and clean. The adjustable boom mic can also be flipped up when not in use, adding convenience and a cleaner look. Sound-wise, this headset delivers deep bass stereo output that really pulls you into the game. Explosions have depth, footsteps are directional, and music is punchy, perfect for competitive or story-driven titles. It's powered by 50mm audio drivers, so the audio clarity remains solid whether you're playing action-packed shooters or atmospheric RPGs. Now let's look at usability. It comes with a standard 3.5mm audio jack, which makes it widely compatible. No drivers or software needed, just plug and play. That means it works great not only with Nintendo Switch but also on Xbox, PS5, tablets, laptops, and smartphones with headphone jacks. Cable length is generous, giving you enough freedom to move around without feeling tethered too close to your screen. There's also an inline volume control and a mute switch, simple, effective, and always appreciated. Durability is another win. The braided cable resists tangling in everyday wear, and the adjustable headband has a flexible yet secure fit. Whether it's being used by a teen gamer or a grown-up enthusiast, this headset holds up. And price-wise, it lands in the budget-friendly zone, offering tremendous value for what it packs in terms of sound quality, mic clarity, and multi-platform support. With its clear mic, rich audio, comfortable design, and versatile compatibility, it's a must-have if you're looking for an affordable way to level up your audio experience without compromising on performance. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more gear breakdowns and honest tech reviews. Until next time, happy gaming!